my items from my country. Okay, so my sister-in-law just came back from my country and she brought some goodies, which I'm going to unbox with you guys right now. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is my items that came from my sister-in-law. Actually, it didn't come like this. Okay, so she came back from my country, and here in UK she had to package it with her empty box, okay, so that the items won't spoil before it gets to me. Let's unbox it together. I'm so excited. Oh my god. So let's start with this. This is crayfish. This thing is gold here, very expensive. So yeah. Long cube for seasoning. Yeah. What's this? Okay, this one is oh my. This is from my elder sister Adane. Thank you so much for my seasonings though. So nice of you, love. Okay, this is thyme. I love my country thyme. It tastes so good. Okay, I still have more. Thank you. This is curry. These are so nice. You know, it's seasonings though. They have curry here, but the one from my country tastes so amazing. Yeah. Okay, let's keep on looking. Oh my god. So this one, you can see my name is there. This one came from my elder sister, crayfish. This one came from my sister-in-law from my country as well. This is the one she bought for me. And she also bought this one, slightly cute for me. I love her so much. So this is from my elder sister. This is from my elder sister, the one that my name's on it. Yeah, let's keep going. Oh my god. Another crayfish. Oh my god, this is crayfish again. I'm so excited. This is crayfish. Guys, see. This is gold here. I need this for my cooking. This is crayfish. Oh my goodness, this is another crayfish. This is another crayfish. Thank you. This is another crayfish. Oh my god, that's what we call pepper, black pepper, but in my country we call it Cameroon pepper. So this is Cameroon pepper. So here, another crayfish. This is another crayfish for me. Oh my god, thank you, sis. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm grateful for this. This is gold for me to afford this here from my African shop. It's crazy. So I appreciate this a lot. Thank you so much, sis. You guys, this is corn. I've been craving for my Nigerian corn. The corn they have here is so sweet. If you know, you know. So I asked for this, you know. This I asked for, okay. So I'm going to be cooking it now to eat it with some pear. She also gave me, this is from my sister-in-law though. She also gave me pear. Those from Nigeria will understand, but the pear is looking, yeah, I don't mind. I'm still gonna eat it. So that's it. I'm gonna be cooking my corn now to eat it with my pear. Yeah. So that is all that's in here. I'm so happy. So basically, let me show you guys everything. You can see, these are all my goods.